Hello, my name is Mohamed Kassem. I'm the co-founder of the company called eFabless. And this is going to be an outlier presentation because when we founded the company, open source community is a part of it, and collaboration is a part of it. And the objective was that is to actually show that you can bridge between this kind of innovation and actual finished product. And there are many examples of that in the software. So, we are about the community. And the final outcome, the company was founded to solve the problem for products, for people who are building products who don't know or don't have the ability to create their own custom ASICs. So we bridge the whole gap. Today, things are developed between, across the foundry, the EDA, and the design houses or design entities. We bridge that all together. Mentioning the long tail. The long tail is basically the orphan of this world never sees the custom ASIC as a viable proposition, and I call this the paintbrush that is not available for some people to actually use it to paint with it. So what we did, so many things we did, and I'll explain later, this mostly because of the collaboration with open source and the work that was contributed to open source, is that we reduced that barrier to get into below the numbers where people can actually use for the product. And also we needed to simplify it, so it doesn't matter if it's just cheap or cheaper, it needs to be simpler so more people will adopt. So if you have heard about Chip Ignite, this will build an entire platform where it has a chip with that's already a 32-byte RISC-V microcontroller with some peripherals in it, and you can design this piece, it drops in it, and we put them together, and these go to products, not just prototyping. So this is just the whole picture for the big picture. There's the starting point. There's the group of open source tools. This is one of them is OpenLane's composite of multiple tools from everybody here. I call this the open source river, which has many streams that compose that river and make it happen. So, and then we go and create multiple versions of this. You've already seen this, is that when the funding happened by Google in that example, by the way, we nagged Google so many times before they actually come and actually pay the money. So Tim Menzel listened and he did it, he started it. It shows that people can keep going. And now here's just a snapshot of what people design with these things, and I want you to actually take a look and maybe take this slide and look at the links and explore these designs. These are all open source and available in public. This is a bunch of snapshots from Twitter feed that actually had chips and pictures, so this was actually very refreshing to see this in the community with dynamics and activation that happened. We're actually now, as a company, we're using the pieces of the open source that we contributed to build upon, actually get this to the commercial products with actual customers that are. So we're saying that this is what it is. It slows down. Okay, we're saying that the initial vision that we wanted to bridge from the open source world to the finished product actually is causing that happen, and it is happening. Thank you.